What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. West. I hope you're all well. So I'm sorry you can't see me, but this is just a very quick video just to show you the navigation bar update on the Asus ZenFone 5. This will also work for the Asus ZenFone 5Z as well. So you'll see that the navigation bar is not present at the bottom of the screen unless I just pull up very gently at the bottom of the screen there. Now what they've added is navigation gestures very similar to what you get on the OnePlus 6. So I'll just show you how these work. So if we just go into Google Chrome, so if I want to go back a page, you just swipe just to the left of the nav bar and that will take you back a page. If I swipe just to the right on the navigation bar, that takes us to recent apps. You can see these here, we've got lots and lots open. And if I just swipe up at the middle, this takes us back home. So these are a welcome addition to this phone. I've been waiting for these since the phone has been released. You can still use those at the bottom of the screen should you need it, but it does allow for more to appear on the screen to make use of this 18:9 display, and it's really pleasing to see that Asus has listened to customer feedback and allowed that feature on the phone. So it's a good job, and thanks for including it. If you want to see any more tutorials on the Asus ZenFone 5, including the updated camera, haven't had a chance to test yet, but by all means, if you do want to see that, please let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to go outside and take some snaps and see if we can see any discernible differences. But for now, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys later.